Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com. Up first tonight, the 14-year-old girl who was among 3 persons shot by gunmen along Hill Avenue off Olympic Way in St. Andrew yesterday has succumbed to her injuries. She has been identified as Tyrone Thomas, better known as TT, a student of Pembroke High School. Now, she was reportedly shot multiple times and died while being treated at hospital. The other victims, a 29-year-old crab vendor of Greater Portmore St. Catherine and a 19-year-old man of Hill Avenue, remain in hospital. The 3 victims were reportedly at a food stall after midday on Thursday when 2 gunmen walked up and opened fire. The police say the men escaped in a silver Nissan Note motorcar. The St. Andrew South police say there is no established motive for the shooting and the perpetrators are not yet identified. Hill Avenue was not an area of concern for the police. The government